Aging is a natural part of life, and there is nothing wrong with it. But what if we could age gracefully by eating the right foods? Collagen is a protein that supports the structure of our bones, tendons, ligaments, skin, muscles, blood vessels, teeth, and corneas. As we age, collagen naturally depletes, leading to wrinkles, crepey skin, stiffer tendons and ligaments, and weakened muscles. So how can we boost collagen in our body? Let's start by saying that there are two ways to boost our collagen levels. The first one is by eating the foods that contain the necessary nutrients for collagen production. The second one is by ingesting bioavailable collagen that our body can use directly. Some of the foods in this category might surprise you, so keep watching to know more. To produce collagen, our bodies require certain amino acids, the molecules that form protein, along with certain nutrients. To be more specific, the amino acids we are referring to are proline and glycine, and the nutrients are vitamin C, vitamin A, copper, zinc, and sulfur. So which foods does our body need to produce collagen? I've created a PDF with all the foods I'm going to talk about now, and you can download it for free from the link in the description box. The amino acids proline and glycine can be found in eggs, dairy, fish, poultry, meat, legumes, and soy. But it's not that easy. You see, proline is part of large molecules, and in order to make it available for collagen production, our body needs manganese. The best manganese-rich foods are mussels, hazelnuts, pecans, brown rice, spinach, chickpeas, pineapple, oatmeal, and lentils. Now let's have a look at the foods we should be eating to make available the nutrients needed for collagen production. The foods containing most vitamin C are citrus fruits, strawberries, kale, bell peppers, papaya, tomatoes, spinach, parsley, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts. As a side note, tomatoes are also rich in lycopene, a potent antioxidant that helps protect the skin. And leafy greens also contain chlorophyll, which possesses antioxidant properties. Some studies have also suggested that consuming chlorophyll can boost collagen production. To obtain vitamin A, we need to look for beta-carotene-rich foods, such as sweet potatoes, carrots, pumpkin, collard greens, spinach, and kale. Copper-rich foods include sunflower seeds, sesame seeds, almonds, cashews, spirulina, shiitake mushrooms, kale, spinach, and cocoa. Among the zinc-rich foods, we have meat, shellfish, legumes, seeds, and nuts. Cashews are rich in copper and zinc. The most sulfur-rich foods are garlic, onions, and cruciferous vegetables. An example meal that promotes collagen production could be this casserole recipe that contains ingredients from almost each one of the categories we have just talked about. Meat and eggs for the amino acids, and meat also counts for the zinc. Pepper for the vitamin C, sweet potato for the vitamin A, and onion and garlic for sulfur. By pairing it with the kale or spinach salad, topped with sunflower seeds and almonds, we would also have covered the copper intake as well. What would be your ideal meal for collagen production? Feel free to share it in the comments below. Now, let's talk about the foods that contain bioavailable collagen that our body can use directly. As mentioned, collagen is a protein found in bones, tendons, ligaments, skin, etc. Not just in human bodies, but also in other animals. So it's not wrong to think that skin from animals like fish and chicken are rich in collagen. What about bones then? You might be familiar with bone broth, which is considered one of the best sources of collagen. Bone broth is made by simmering bones and connective tissues from various sources such as beef, pork, chicken, or fish. These release collagen into the liquid that we can either drink directly or use it in recipes. Additionally, bone broth is rich in other nutrients that provide remarkable benefits for our cartilage. Now, is there any food that is safe to eat that actually contains bones and skin? Yes, and it's also very convenient food. whole canned sardines. When we preserve whole sardines in oil with the skin and bones, every part of the fish softens to the point that the entire fish can be easily mashed with a fork, allowing us to consume all its collagen-rich parts. An honorable mention goes to spirulina. This 2018 study suggests that spirulina may increase growth factor in dermal fibroblast cells, which are the cells responsible for creating collagen. It's worth also mentioning vitamin E. Even if this vitamin is not involved in the collagen production, it acts as an antioxidant, protecting collagen from damage caused by free radicals. The best sources of vitamin E are sunflower seeds, almonds, hazelnuts, peanuts, red pepper, and avocado. While all the foods we talked about can boost our body's collagen, it's also important to maintain a healthy gut and a healthy lifestyle. This includes proper hydration, regular exercise, and avoiding lifestyle factors that can damage collagen, such as excessive sun exposure, smoking, a sedentary lifestyle, and a poor diet high in sugar. Now that you are familiar with the foods to boost collagen, you might want to complement this knowledge with the anti-aging foods I talk about in this video here. If you're new to my channel and want to make healthy eating easy, make sure you subscribe right here to watch new videos every Sunday. If you're interested in receiving private coaching sessions with me, you can check out the link I left in the description box. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.